Oh, look at Dang, Calvin's. He's feeling over there, bro.
Last time on Sons of the Forest.
Calvin just ate some human.
This is looking epic.
Oh.
No. No. Oh, he went right up the tree. What the f?
Nope, I don't trust that shit. Bye.
Oh, he's in a spider web. What's up, my boy?
Die!
Ow!
Ooh. Ooh. Yeah!
Helicopter.
You know, the cannibals are saying the N-word real loud at you.
Raccoon!
Raccoon!
Jake, oh.
Well, shit.
We need a shovel.
Oh! Yo!
We about to fly.
Oh! Oh yeah. Oh yeah, you know what to do? Try and make it to the thing. I'm going to rest! I'm going to rest!
Damn it, that would have been funny.
I could do it again.
No. I'm not into
That would force the bit.
That's
that would
right.
Oh! 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 What the fuck?
We're
right.
mass. Come here, get over here. No. Damn.
So your question in the last video. Oh god, did I grab the tractor? Oh my god. Boy, ain't no way. What the hell? Oh my god.
Oh, I think I see what I'm tracking.
Is that a golf cart?
Looks like it. Oh, this is a story thing, I believe. This is a story beat.
Whoa! Golf cart battery.
Oh, look at that.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Sounds like... Oh, there's a cave right here.
Alright.
Mm.
Oh, okay. That's a torch bear. What the fuck?
Oh. Somehow
different.
we've
Oh,
made it underneath
my
the
God.
Denver International Airport.
Bolts.
Oh, this
Carbon
dude was
fiber.
looking at porn.
Solar panel porn.
Tim LeBlanc.
Blanc.
I'm...
No universes.
We are... No, we're not Tim LeBlanc, because we're like a random dude.
Tim LeBlanc was the first game, no?
Yeah, he was
Is that
the...
a 3D
he was
printer?
He was the kid from the first game. Oh, okay.
I think I'll get...
Oh, look at that! Look at me! Look at me!
That's weird. I'm gonna get a thing where I looked everywhere but behind me.
Buddy? Oh, wrong one. Yes, sir.
Ooh. It's that goopy stuff from the cave.
Damn. Kids be watching too much porn.
I hear groaning.
I do too. Oh no, we got this. Cannibal. What's up?
Where?
Biatch.
I think we just killed a... Oh, that was a woman.
It's still a cannibal.
Golf cart. Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa.
There ain't no way.
Ham bone. What? What? Yes, sir.
Oh yeah. Oh, raccoon! Oh. Yeah, this is how you travel and stuff. I should not be the one driving.
They're so gonna get it. Like, this is gonna oh boy. Like, okay, he's probably, you know, fucking off somewhere.
This is another cave.
I mean, yeah.
Ooh, GPS collected. Oh.
Gordon. Puffton refuses to acknowledge what this place is, not even counting what my team has been finding on the other side of the island. Surveyors going missing, our workers turning up dead. If he won't deal with the situation, I will. Jian Yu. I mean, what if I... Oh.
Yeah, he kind of started trembling, and then he made the mistake of thinking I would show mercy. That must smell horrible.
Oh, there's another dude!
Oh, where?
2 of them!
Oh!
Yeah, bitch.
Wear my Gucci on. I could wear my Louis Vuitton. I guess they're doing this.
Oh. Oh.
Skin pouch!
Oh, this is the scary one. Okay.
We don't need to do this right now, then. What? I want out!
Don't leave me alone in there.
Alright, I'm gonna thug it out. And just open. You wanna go first?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Oh, up. Let's go up.
Up. Alright. Wow, that person's being hanged. Okay.
Yeah, they are. Oh, look at this. Alright, other way.
I fell in the water. Yeah, you know, there's some pretty good reverb in here. I think I'm gonna...
Hold your light. Hold your light. Do you hear that?
Yes. Yes, I do.
That's spooky.
Ooh, these berries look interesting. Bad berry! You wanna try giving the go-kart a twirl?
Yeah.
Ooh, what is this? This one looks like a penis.
You good?
The phallic-shaped mushrooms are okay to eat.
Eat. Ow. Calvin!
Hey, Calvin! You
Dude,
just... Oh, dear. Don't leave me.
Oh, there's a... Oh!
Oh, okay. Book it. Alright, we jump.
Oh!
Oh my god! I could wear my Gucci on. I could wear my Louis Vuitton. Roadkill! Well.
Oh, what am I stuck on? Ah!
Oh! Oh, we got a rope climb down.
Oh, okay. Kill me in here.
That was very tame. I thought there was gonna be more.
Yeah, me too. In the meantime, I'm gonna have me some Snickerdoodle cookies. Um.
Cannibal! Woo! Oh shit! Ow! This is a good
Send
place
it.
to park.
Okay.
Send it. All right.
Oh, too late. Too late.
Oh yeah, we'll look back. You know who else drives a golf cart? Ow! My mom! Woo!
I don't
I hate
trust
Kelvin.
Kelvin. I don't trust him, bro.
He shows up out of nowhere.
Is this it? Is this really it? This sucks.
Where's his corpse? Oh.
Oh. Oh.
Look up.
Oh, yeah!
It's very hard to aim this thing.
Oh, a flashlight.
Now, this is how you quit the spirits. Hi, Calvin.
What is he doing? Get out of here, Calvin! Get out of here! Get out of here!
My goodness, my goodness, my goodness, my goodness. Booze cruising! Booze cruising! Oh,
Oh, a
yeah.
cannibal over there. Across the river.
Just keep driving and don't look at them. Their kind is filthy. This is kind of nice, though. I'm loving this for some reason.
Yeah.
I see why old white people go golfing now.
Oh, shit!
Yes, sir.
Right now, the Nuggets and the Avalanche are doing really good.
There should. Oh!
You stand still.
Oh! Alright. Stop.
Slip.
God damn it. Where's the cannibal? Get out. Get out. Leave.
Oh, there's a bunch of them.
Oh, God.
Yeah, bitch.
Bitch!
What the?
Yeah, bitch.
Bitch!
Oh! Yeah, I know where you are. I can see you. Oh my God, they sent a night raid on us. Go out.
Bitch.
Bitch!
Oh, full moon! Jesse, run! Yeah, crossing into my clothes!
The white look, full moon. Oh no, Jesse, run! What? Run before it's too late!
I want to just stay on. Just stay on, dude. Alright, whatever. Corner of it.
Ah! Oh.
Oh my God, dude. That's a bit better. Yeah, that's way better.
Cool.
Oh my God, a helicopter. Fire up a flare.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Hold on. Flares. Flares. Flares.
I forgot to light it.
I did too.
Hey! 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 Please! They stopped! Did they notice us? They're descending!
Are they?
I think so.
No!
Wait. Maybe they're just getting a better angle. No! No, please! No! They call her the Grip Reaper. No! No! Hey! Get down from there, partner.
You. Calm down.
Ah, shit.
Get down,
Did I
boy.
just set our house on fire?
Why you on your knees? Get down, boy! Get down!
Ah! Dick.
Calvin!
Damn.
Getting big.
Oh, this is the one that we were at. Okay.
Yeah.
Ah!
That jump scare.
God damn it. Ew. I wasn't there last time.
Oh yeah. Can they see us?
Yep, he sees me.
Crazy bitch. Your head clean off. Me when I get my hands on you.
Don't go in there.
Woo! That was sick. Look at them, they're chunks.
Entrance.
Wait,
Wait.
what's this?
We were just here. What?
Big fucking dude.
No. Oh, I just reloaded it with the force. Oh my god. Hello? Hello? Oh!
A cross
Oh.
with light bulbs? Oh my
Okay, I'm out of here, bro. Oh, remember, there's still a bunch that we haven't explored, bro. We're gonna meet that big.
Shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up, shut up. Literally, quit it. Buddy? Jack? Uh-oh.
I'm gonna touch you.
You are my sunshine, my only sunshine.
My sunshine, my only sunshine.
You make me happy.
You make me happy
These skies are gray.
when skies are gray.
Oh, here's an oxygen tank. Well, that's a problem solved, sadly.
How are we gonna get past that short? Oh, wait.
Uh-oh.
You think he's dead? Up there off the poop train! What's up, Creo?
We're good, gang. I'm going to take a piss.
Okay.
You were giving me that I threw up stance. Well, there's the
making
Greg
Greg.
being made. Yep, we're making the Greg.
Oh! Oh, your shoulder pad is made out of fucking faces. That's epic.
Nah, he chill. He just whispers in my head about the damnation of man and why greed is our turmoil.
Calvin, why the fuck you gotta be?
Greg is ready.
Give me a second, Calvin! Oh my god. Get out of the fucking way. Jesus. Get out of the way. I'll throw a rock at you again.
Okay, Calvin, let's move. Oh no!
Oh my god. Come on.
Just follow me, Calvin.
Move. Move. The Greg is
I'm
not.
gonna eat some Greg. You
I'm
know?
also gonna eat some Greg.
And
Greg.
that buffed us.
Greg. Greg. Oh shit, yeah, it does give you buffs.
Your ass is grass.
No.
Boy. Boyd.
Yeah.
Bored. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I know where you live.